In the world full of discoveries, it is impossible to ignore how technology changes our lives. Despite the already impressive technology advancement, the technology in 2020 presents several unbeatable technology trends for all sectors. Providing better solutions to various sectors is probably the number one reason why technologies are important. From enabling gaming lovers to play online games such as the Book of Ra to remote communication, technologies are an important necessity. While some discoveries already existed and can be found in modern enterprises, new technologies and solutions are significantly changing the way people live and socialize. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. Internet of Things. Currently, most cars, home appliances, home systems, and other elements in daily life are connected to the internet and each other. So to say, there will be an estimated 3 million IoT devices by the end of 2020. Most people can lock their doors remotely, track their fitness journey, hike rides, and much more. Using IoT devices such as home detectors make this among the few advancing technologies in 2020 helping the environment. According to IT experts, there is a small percentage of people with proper knowledge of how to leverage these technologies. Regardless, IoT devices have turned human lives sufficiently easy and convenient, especially because even the basic house chores can be done remotely. Number 4. Cognitive Cloud Computing. Cognitive cloud is an extended ecosystem of traditional cloud and cognitive computing. It's due to this you can create cognitive computing applications and bring to the masses through cloud deployments. Cognitive computing is considered as the next big evolution in the IT industry. It converts it into human language and helps experts in better decision making by understanding the complexities of big data. Its market size is expected to generate revenue of $13.8 billion by 2020 and is one of the top 10 trending technologies to consider this year. Number 3. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual is real. VR and AR, the twin technologies that let you experience things in virtual that are extremely close to real, are today being used by business of all sizes and shapes. But the underlying technology can be quite complex. Medical students use AR technology to practice surgery in a controlled environment. VR, on the other hand, open up new avenues for gaming and attractive marketing. Whatever your interest might be, AR and VR must have skills if you want to ride the virtual wave. Number 2. Blockchain. This is the tech that powers Bitcoin, a whole new currency that has taken over the world. Interestingly, blockchain as a technology has far-reaching potential in everything from healthcare to elections to real estate to law enforcement. Understand how blockchain works and your career is as sorted as the secure ledge this tech is based on. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence. AI existed even before the internet was born, but it is now that the data processing and computer-powered backbone became strong enough to sustain an entire technology by itself. AI is everywhere today, from your smartphones to your cars to your home to your banking establishment. It is the new normal, something the world cannot do without. Get your hands dirty with AI and have a crystal clear career ahead of you. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.